Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please just do me a favor and hit the subscription button. Thank you so much. So in our last video we talked about refrigerant level. What is refrigerant level and a brief explanation of the process of refrigerant in a car. Also we talked about how refrigerant level can prevent your car AC from cooling under hot weather and how to address this issue of low refrigerant level. So today we are going to look into condenser. But before we delve into condenser, for you to have more information about refrigerant level, you can check on the description. You will get the link to that video. So talking about condenser, what is condenser? Condenser is also a vital component of the AC or car air conditioning system that can also help the AC to cool well. When the condenser is faulty, it can also make the AC to blow hot air under the hot sun. So let's look at what condenser is. The car air conditioning condenser is a crucial component of the vehicle's AC system. It plays a vital role in processing of cooling the interior. So here is a brief explanation of what the AC condenser does and its importance. So the function, it functions at heat dissipation. The AC condenser works to dissipate heat from the refrigerant. After the refrigerant absorbs heat from the warm air inside the car, it circulates to the AC condenser where the heat is released to the outside air. So refrigerant being what collects the hot or the warm air inside your car, takes it to the condenser, and the condenser takes the warm air to the outside air. You get? So thereby making the inner of your car or the inside of your car to be cold. So whereby your condenser is not functioning well, such process is not going to take place. So the next one is condensation. As the high pressure, high temperature refrigerant flows through the condenser coil, it undergoes a phase change, transitioning from a gas to a high pressure liquid. The next one is airflow. The condenser is usually located at the front of the vehicle, in the front of the radiator, to maximize exposure to airflow. The air passing over the condenser coil helps cool the refrigerant, allowing it to condense and release heat efficiently. So the importance: efficient cooling. Proper functioning of the AC condenser is essential for efficient cooling of the refrigerant. This ensures that the AC system can consistently provide cool air to the interior of the vehicle. Another importance is the pressure regulation. The AC condenser assists in regulating the pressure of the refrigerant, preparing it for the next stage of the cooling cycle. The next function is heat removal. By releasing heat to the outside, the AC condenser prevents the AC system from overloading and maintaining a comfortable temperature inside the vehicle. So in summary, the AC condenser is a vital component that contributes to the effective operation of your car's air conditioning system by facilitating the release of heat from the refrigerant. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to any issue with the condenser can help ensure the optimal performance of your vehicle AC system. So now we are going to look at how faulty car air condenser makes your car blow hot air during hot weather and cold air in the morning. So we are now going to look at how faulty car AC condenser makes your car to blow hot air during the hot weather and cold air in the morning. So a faulty car AC condenser can contribute to the issue of your car blowing hot air during the hot weather and cold air in the morning. So here is how a malfunctioning condenser may affect the performance of your car's air conditioning system. Inefficient heat dissipation. The AC condenser plays a crucial role in dissipating heat from the refrigerant. If the condenser is faulty, it may not efficiently release heat, especially during hot air. This inefficiency can result in the AC system struggling to cool the refrigerant effectively, leading to hot air blowing in the car. Another one is reduced cooling capacity. A malfunctioning condenser can lead to a reduced overall cooling system of the AC system. In the morning, when the temperatures are lower, the impact may not be as noticeable. The AC may produce colder air. However, as the day gets hotter, The compromised condenser struggles to maintain the same level of cooling efficiency. Pressure fluctuations. The AC condenser is part of the system that helps regulate refrigerant pressure. A faulty condenser may result in pressure fluctuation, impacting the ability of the refrigerant to absorb and release heat consistently. The inconsistency can contribute to variation of cooling performance. Overheating of refrigerant. If the condenser is not effectively dissipating heat, it can lead to the refrigerant circulating through the system at a higher temperatures. Overheating refrigerant is less effective at absorbing heat from the cabin air, causing the AC to blow warm air. System overload. The inefficiency of a faulty condenser can put additional stress on other components of the AC system, such as the compressor. This increased workload can lead to system overload, resulting in uneven cooling performance. So, to address this issue, it is essential to have a professional mechanic to inspect and diagnose the AC system, including the condenser. Repairing or replacing a faulty condenser can help restore the proper functioning of the AC system, ensuring consistent and efficient cooling regardless of the weather condition. Regular maintenance checks and prompt attention to AC issue can help prevent such problem and keep your car's climate control system in optimal condition. So why is it wrong to use water to flush the AC condenser? This is the important part where I want to talk about. These days when you feel that your car is not cooling well, you will take your car to a car wash for them to use a pressure pump to flush your condenser. Now let me show you, or let me tell you why it is very, very wrong to do that. So using water to flush the AC condenser is not recommended due to the delicate nature of the condenser and its components. The AC condenser is a critical part of the air conditioning system, responsible for dissipating heat from the refrigerant to ensure efficient cooling. So here's a detailed explanation of why using water for flushing is discouraged. So number one is fins and coil structure. The AC condenser has a fin structure that enhances its heat dissipation capabilities. The fins are thin and delicate, allowing efficient airflow for heat exchange. Additionally, there is a coil through which refrigerant flows. High pressure water can easily damage these fins and coils. The next one is fins and coil damage. The fins plays a crucial role in facilitating the transfer of heat from the refrigerant to the surrounding air. Using water under high pressure can lead to the bending, flattening, or even breaking of these fins. Damaged fins reduce the surface air available for heat exchange, compromising the overall efficiency of the AC system. Coil vulnerability. The coil inside the car is susceptible to damage if water is forced into it in high pressure. This can result in corrosion, rusting, or other internal issues that may disrupt the flow of refrigerant and hinder the AC system performance. The next one is effects on heat dissipation. The primary function of condenser is to release heat from the refrigerant. If the fins are damaged or if there's internal damage due to water, the ability of the condenser to dissipate heat effectively is compromised. This in turn reduces the efficiency of the entire AC system. The next one is risk of internal damage. High pressure water has the potential to force its way into the coil or other internal components of the condenser. This can lead to internal damage that may not be immediately visible but can impact the long-term functionality of the AC system. Potential for system contamination. Using water may introduce contamination into the AC system, including minerals and impurities present in the water. This contamination can affect the refrigerant and other components, leading to corrosion and reduced system reliability. So, professional expertise. AC systems are complex and their components are intricately designed. Professionals use specific methods and tools for cleaning and maintaining to ensure the longevity and the efficiency of the system. Attempting to clean the condenser with water, especially at high pressure, may cause more harm than good without addressing the root issue. In summary, the delicate structure of the AC condenser, particularly the fin and coil, makes it susceptible to damage from high pressure water. To maintain the efficiency and functionality of your car AC system, it is advisable to use proper cleaning method such as compressed air or soft brush or seek professional assistance. These methods allow for effective cleaning without compromising the integrity of condenser's components. So for those of you who like using water when you get to the car wash, you tell the car wash guy to flush your condenser for you. It is very, very wrong. So from what all I've read here, you can now see what high pressure water or the damage the high pressure water can cause to your condenser. You might feel you are doing yourself a good, but you don't know that you are doing more harm to your car AC. So in our next video, we are going to talk about compressor. So for you to be able to get this notification, it is encouraging for you to hit the subscription button so that anytime I drop the update, you will get it. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get it. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.